Hi, welcome to therottenrebel. I'm here with the one and only Sandra Solomon Fragrance.
Yes, I always feel like I have to do something huge after you introduce me like that.
You need to do something huge because this is a huge or epic fragrance haul. We have YSL, we have Guerlain, we have Montale, we have Armani, and not just any Armani. This is Armani Deluxe. And then we have a limited edition Boss bottle, and then Armani again. Oh my god, this is going to be so damn good. You gotta make sure to watch this. So without further ado, let's just get to it.
Please.
I can barely speak.
Yeah, please.
So
Let
I
me
am
start.
going to...
No?
Okay, you can start. Yeah, ladies first.
I am so...
I was just about to say it, so I'm just gonna start.
So when did we go from ladies first? You always say you are a gentleman.
Yeah, I am. So ladies first. What do you have for us?
I have Stronger With You Intensely. And you have had this before.
Yes.
So what happened?
It's so good. I burned through the entire bottle in such a short amount of time. Open it up. Should I spray one? You read the notes.
Yes, please. I am dying here when I see the notes.
Yes.
My god. Pink pepper, juniper, violet, toffee, cinnamon, lavender, sage, vanilla, tonka bean, amber, and suede. And if this is not
ladies
divine.
first, since I already sniffed my way through an entire bottle.
An extra sweet kind of Stronger With You.
Yeah. So yeah, I already burned through an entire bottle, so that pretty much tells you how I feel about it.
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
A wonderful one.
Yeah.
And I can really understand why you have already emptied a bottle.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling like, since you have already emptied one, I think this one is for me.
Whoa.
So now I should empty one. And then
so
you
you
get
would
another
not
one.
hesitate to use this one?
I don't think I would use it myself, but I would like spray it everywhere at home. And just go and sniff. And in my bed. And
I think I should spray it on myself. So yeah, let's just conclude that both of us really enjoy this one. Let's move on to the next one, and I am going to go with La Nuit de l'Homme Bleu Electrique. Cardamom, ginger, bergamot, lavender, geranium, cedar, and vetiver. So yeah, I do recognize some of the notes from some of the other flankers.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this one?
I think this is similar to the others, but it's more creamy and more woody to me. And maybe a bit heavier on the vetiver, but in a good way.
Yeah, it's easy to understand why this is such a banger and why this has turned out to be so popular.
Yes.
This is another one that you simply cannot go wrong with.
No, this is so good.
Yeah.
And I think there is some different information about this one. It seems to be discontinued or not. No one knows. I see different things almost every day. So if anyone knows, you can comment.
It's still kind of new.
Yeah.
So I would be really surprised if they kill it already. That was just...
That would be a bad thing because it's so good.
Yeah. But both of me and at least both of me really enjoy this one. How do you feel about it?
Both of me really enjoy it too. And
nice.
Both of me thinks it's maybe top 3.
Whoa.
Even though I think it's kind of heavy on the vetiver, which I normally don't like.
Interesting. I really enjoy this one. It's a great, another great fragrance from YSL.
Yeah.
I think it's super hard or maybe even impossible to go wrong with any of the YSL ones.
Yes.
Most of them are really nice. So yeah, that was La Nuit de l'Homme Bleu Electrique. Let's move on to the next one.
And then we have the Hugo Boss bottle limited edition 2021.
Nice.
So you said that this is supposed to be another juice than the original.
Yes, this is supposed to be different from... So this is not just the same juice repackaged in another bottle. At least I hope that's the case.
Yeah.
But we will see. I really hope this is going to be a good one.
The notes: apple, black pepper and bergamot in the opening. Then some cinnamon, chestnut and cardamom. And musk and vetiver.
This is definitely different to the original.
Yes.
And scent-wise, this does not feel like Hugo Boss bottle, which you think is really boring, and which I think is okay, but sort of boring. It's a bit old now. It's not nothing super exciting.
No, I would say that this is definitely different to the original. So it's not boring, but it kind of smells like something I have smelled before. This is not something unique or groundbreaking, or it's just like they made a good version of the Boss bottle
okay.
instead of a boring version.
So I am going to do a review of this one coming up quite soon, so make sure you keep your eyes out for that one. But just based on these first impressions, I am going to agree with you in that it doesn't feel like something revolutionary. It feels like a bit of this, a bit of that already exists. But I do really enjoy it, and I was really curious if Hugo Boss would come up with something new, because I do feel that Hugo Boss overall creates fragrances that are super safe, which is okay, but super safe, but also most of the time a bit boring.
But not Oud Saffron. That is
not Oud Saffron, and I know that a lot of you out there do not enjoy Hugo Boss bottled Oud, but I think it's a fantastic scent. But yeah, this one was interesting. I like it. So next up, oh my God, I can't believe, as a leather freak, I can't believe that it took me this long to get Cuir Intense from Guerlain. This is part of their Les Absolus d'Orient collection. I hope I pronounced that correctly.
Great French again, I hear.
I'm so good at French. Just
you are
ask
advancing.
Me. Bonjour, mademoiselle. I'm so good. I was actually almost pulled the trigger on, I believe the other one is Musk Absolu or something, and then one that is called Bois Mystérieux. Please do put a comment if you think it's a really, really good one. But I decided to start out in that collection with this one because I'm a leather freak. Osmanthus, Ylang Ylang, then we have Leather Musk Tobacco. Sandalwood, Virginia Cedar. How do you feel about this one?
This is very unique.
I like that.
Very nuanced.
I like that.
A bit leather dirty.
I like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
And so cool. And this is very, not different from the kind of fragrances that you usually buy, but it's definitely something different in your collection.
Yeah, this is interesting. So it's a very potent leather.
Yes.
And the leather is not super clean. Like, to me, ombre leather is not super clean.
No.
But it's not the super dirty kind of one.
No.
This one leans more towards something that is smoky and a bit dirty.
Yeah.
And it's super potent. How many sprays did you spray?
Maybe four.
Four.
4 or 5.
Okay. This entire room now oozes of this kind of leather.
Yeah.
So how do you like it? I mean, it sounds like you enjoy it.
Yeah, I really enjoy it. It's a great leather scent. It feels very exclusive and well made.
Yeah. So based on my first impression, this feels super potent, i.e. this is beast mode. It feels unique, which I really... What's up?
It just hit me what I think leather smells like, and this is gonna sound so weird, like I go around and sniff these things. Like, the inside of old leather shoes.
Whoa.
Yes.
Is that a good thing? It doesn't sound
It's so weird, but yes. I think so.
Interesting. So now you found out something about Sandra Solomon Fragrance that you never ever heard before. She thinks this one smells like old leather shoes and she likes it. Interesting. That was interesting. What a revelation of this fragrance haul. Super potent.
No wonder I'm single.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. But super potent. This is beast mode. It's definitely unique. It's definitely unique if I compare it to all the other. I probably have like 30 or 35 different brilliant leather perfumes in my collection.
Yeah.
And this one is definitely unique. And I really enjoy that it's, rather than having like another clean kind of leather that is easy to wear, I feel this one is not super hard to wear. but I do like that it's really like a character.
Yes.
It's colorful.
Yes.
And this is definitely something that is going to be an attention grabber.
Yes. And it's one of the best shoes you can wear on your body.
Yeah. I really look forward to smelling like an old man's leather shoes. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. This one is Montale Oud Tobacco. So yeah, we have...
my God.
Is it nice? So we have...
This is not nice.
I hope you're joking.
This is so incredible.
Sumac, citruses, cumin, agarwood, orange blossom, incense, tobacco, tonka bean, agarwood. So I'm expecting a really sweet tobacco that smells absolutely divine.
Get a sweet, creamy, oily tobacco that is insanely good. I love this. This is so good.
I like it.
I think this is the opening, the first impression is just incredible.
It does feel really, really nice. I'm happy that I got it. Yeah, I'm a tobacco freak. What can I do? I'm a leather freak. I can't do anything about it.
You have to buy them.
Yeah.
You just have to buy them.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy that you enjoy it.
Yeah.
I really like it as well. I'm gonna do a review of this one coming up quite soon. So make sure you keep your eyes out for that one. Now the grand finale. Oh my. So you asked me to come along when you bought this one just today.
Yes.
So this is going to be a lot of fun.
Were with me when I tried this in another store the other day, and yeah, you know, I was hooked. And I had the test strip in my pocket, and we were walking around town doing errands, and I just got the whiffs. I mean, from the strip in my pocket, and I just fell in love.
I love when that happens.
Yeah.
And this one smells absolutely amazing.
I mean, Armani Privé fragrances are incredibly expensive, but I didn't care about the money at all.
You had to
That's how good it is.
So basically, we just revealed that this is pure love for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at
love the bottles.
They are so beautiful.
So I am going to spray it on.
But you don't care about the bottles.
No, I don't. But I actually do. Okay, you want to spray it on. Okay.
Okay, you spray it on.
No, it's your bottle.
No, it actually matches your shirt, so you need to spray it on.
Wow, she allowed me to touch her bottle. That sounds dirty. Let's move on. Okay, so I'm gonna spray it on. You're gonna read the notes.
Yes, listen to this. Cardamom, ginger and bergamot, cinnamon, coffee, myrrh, vanilla, tobacco and tonka beans. And I said that when I...
It's okay, you
can
can take it.
Back.
And
my precious.
let me just put it this way. When we tried it in the store,
God.
I was like, wow, this smells absolutely gorgeous.
This is incredible. And I think I said that when we were at the store. There's not so often that you smell... I mean, this is unisex, but I think it leans more feminine, even though I think a man can rock it. But it's not so often that you find tobacco in fragrances for women. And that's why I think this also is so unique and different from everything else I have smelled. And they have managed to do just the perfect blend of that coffee and the tobacco, which also is quite unique.
Yeah, this is epic.
We both have smelled all of the ones in the Armani Privé collection.
Yeah.
My other favorite is Rouge Malachite, but this is #1 to me.
Nice.
They are all good. They are all great.
Yeah.
But this is excellent.
Yeah. So this was a lot of fun. I'm gonna say that this is going to be really hard.
No.
So yeah, not for you.
No.
So if you could just pick one, just pick this one.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. This is tough for me, and I'm going to agree with you.
Oh.
I am going to pick that one as well. I think this one was an amazing one. This is pure epicness. This one to me is a perfect rebel. It smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells insanely luxurious. But if I would not pick that one, I would most likely go for the leather.
The old shoes, yeah.
Yeah, old shoes leather. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please do drop a like on this video. Thank you, I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to head on over to Sandra Solomon Fragrances channel. I'm gonna link to her channel in the description below. hit that like, subscribe to me, subscribe to her, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.